Ugh, I'm so bored. What do we do?
Oh, have you heard that there's $1 million fridge going around in someone's house?
Really? I
Yeah.
found like we have something to do.
Yeah, let's go rob it.
Yeah, do you know which house has it?
Yeah, it's our grandma.
Yeah, let's rob Grandma.
Let's go get him. Let's go.
Get in.
Uh, uh, uh. Okay. Let's go. Wait, let's take the hang glider. Hang glider time. I'll drop onto it. I'll drop onto their house. You fly above, I drop on, take the fridge, and then we skedaddle.
Let's go. You see, I see Grandma's house.
Me too.
Slowing down.
Alright. Get ready. Drop me out back. And... Ah. Ow, that hurt so much. Get a getaway car. I'm stealing the fridge. I don't think
I'll call our car.
I don't think she knows we're here. Oh, this fridge is hard to move. Meet me out back. I got the fridge.
Getting a car.
I got a fridge. I got a fridge. I got a fridge.
I'm grabbing the car.
I got the fridge. Get the car. They're after us. She's probably calling the cops right now. Ooh, perfect disguise. Open up the back. No, the fridge! They hit the fridge. What the heck?
Lunatics.
Do you know how much this thing is worth? Go, 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 go! Okay, keep going, go, go, go!
They'll never find us. We're in camouflage.
There's a plane to the left in that little pond area. Across that bridge, there's a plane that we can use. We have to sell it to the secret mountain base. Because they're building a rocket ship and as we know, every rocket ship needs a fridge. I mean, obviously.
Of course.
Let's go.
Every rocket ship needs a fridge, or else how are you supposed to eat?
Okay, grab the fridge. I'll fly
the fridge.
I'll fly the plane.
Get the plane ready.
Okay, okay.
Is there anything in this fridge?
We'll have to buy some snacks for it.
Definitely, I'm starving. Let's go!
I don't know, it's kind of a, that's not a good grip, but okay.
Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
To the secret base!
No, the fridge! The fridge! No, I got the fridge, I got the fridge.
You better didn't land on the trampoline.
Oh no. I'm gonna ride this fridge. I'm gonna ride this fridge.
The fridge is in a horse.
I'm riding this fridge.
The fridge is not a horse.
Okay, let's go.
I need to go to the fridge. You keep spinning.
Make sure to get a better grip this time. Okay, that's better. Ah, okay. No! You keep flying off. Oh, I almost crashed the plane, but we're okay.
Where's the fridge?
Right here. Here's the fridge.
That's not a fridge. That's a go-kart.
Come on. The plane is too dangerous. We'll have to take this. This is so hard to control. We're gonna make it eventually.
Escaping with style.
With the power of belief. With the power of belief.
Cannibal style.
Some person just sees us, they're just like, what are they doing? Ow! My neck! My neck! My neck!
No, we need a more stylish vehicle. It's not camouflage, but
I'll grab a stylish vehicle. You want to see style, eh?
Why
You
is
want
it
to
no?
see style. You want to see style!
Yeah. Got the fridge in.
Why would we go in that car if we have this car?
Don't show off. I'll buy one of those when they sell the fridge.
Okay, I'll escort you. Let's go.
You think Grandma called a cop yet?
Probably.
Who would call on their own grandson just because they robbed them?
Ah. You on your way?
Car breaking?
No. Why would you say that?
No
Of course it's
reason.
not breaking.
No reasons at all.
Yeah. No reason.
Yeah. I was just being a little crazy.
Is your car broken?
No, not at all. Why would you say that?
I don't know. I just got this feeling, you know. Ooh, helicopter. Let's take a helicopter.
But my car isn't damaged at all.
Oh, I know,
we take
but
my non-damaged car instead?
I don't know. Something smells fishy about it.
No, nothing.
Let's go up. Meow.
Now to the secret base that no one knows about, but I'm talking about it now.
Woo! So it's not secret. Let's go.
Well, of course not. How
No!
would you
No! You're gonna hit the fridge! Ah! I got him! Run! Ah! I'm attacking them. I scared them off with my incredible helicopter skills.
Incredible.
Incredible helicopter skills.
I feel like it can be debated.
No! Why? Why? No, I'm just going off the... Ah!
What was that explosion?
Nothing. No. I have such good. I have incredible helicopter skills. You know, just like incredible. You know, nobody's ever
I got the
touched them.
fridge.
Okay, wait for me. Wait for me. Get a getaway car for me.
I got a getaway car.
I know. Bring it down the tunnel. This tunnel's cold. The tunnel's real cold.
Okay, I'm coming with my car.
This tunnel's real cold. Ah! I just got ran over, but I stole somebody's car.
Why?
Don't ask.
Here's my car.
Let's go.
Just got a paint job. Not really. But it's worth $1 million.
Let's go.
You know, this car doesn't seem damaged at all.
Bam!
We gotta keep the fridge in mid-condition.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be in mid condition. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. So, maybe on the way to the bunker, we could maybe buy a new fridge.
Too late, we're already here.
Oh, man. Don't worry, we're not here to do any sales at all.
Nothing's illegal over here. Nothing to see. Quickly, press the button.
Nothing at all. Nothing.
Nothing.
At all.
This is a new pair of lab coats. Yeah. No, yeah, it's just a new pair of lab coats.
Keep them in a fridge-like container because they need to be cold too.
Yeah.
And keep the wrinkles away.
Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here.
Just
nothing.
A new pair of lab coats.
Yes, we were accepted. I didn't think that would actually work. Okay, we need some lab coats.
Same here.
Okay, we need some lab coats.
Hang on.
I got mine.
I have this too.
I got my lab coat. I'm watching our backs.
Love it.
Don't ask what's happening. Ah! I didn't just kill someone. Don't worry about it.
No, of course not. Okay, let's go this way. As you see, we have a totally normal fridge.
Yep.
We'll just be taking in clean the lab coats.
Yep. How are we still accepted? How are we accepted over here?
Nothing wrong with this bridge at all.
Oh no! Run!
Run! Security's after us! Run!
Ah! Wait, I need to buy some snacks.
Grab snacks!
I got
in the oven.
Now it will come with soda now. The fridge is gonna come with soda. Press the button. Ah! I'm trying. Just out the way. Out the way. They're coming. They're coming. Ah! I'm trying. Oh, we've escaped them.
Escape! Open the door!
Get the fridge out!
Nothing to worry about here. The lab coats are just a little bit feisty.
Yeah. Lab coats.
Sounds totally normal, by the way. A totally normal thing that happens with lab coats this way.
Okay.
Wobbly fridge.
Yes, I would love it.
There's a scratch on it and there's soda.
Oh yes, I would love it for 10 billion bucks.
Only a half empty soda.
Okay, deal. $1 million bucks.
Did I hear a million?
Yes.
Deal.
We're rich! We're rich! Now, what should we spend our money on? How about a mansion?
Money? We don't have any money.
Oh, yeah. Let's go buy a mansion. Come on.
Yeah, mansion. Take us down faster.
Stop pressing the button. Oh.
We work here!
Ah!
That hurt. Like, a lot.
We might have to use that money for medical bills now.
Yeah.
Wait, we need to change back into our outfit.
Why does my...
Ah!
No, let me...
Get in there. Now where? I have so many shirts. Where is it? Here we go.
We might go fancy life.
No. Oh yeah. Let's go fancy life. Fancy life. Let's go. Oh, the sparkle pants. I see. Where are my sparkle pants? Where are my sparkle pants? Like, actually. I found nothing to see here. We didn't get any money from those lab coats. Those lab coats were $10 Walmart coats.
Yeah, I just realized those changing pods are clear.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Maybe we can go up a little faster.
Yeah. Spam the button. It worked last time.
Spam it.
Faster! Faster! Yay!
Family work here. We're just going on our lunch break.
Now time to steal a helicopter. They won't let us out! They won't let us out! No, why did it get dark? No, please! Don't kill us! No! No! Please, let us go. We didn't mean it. We didn't mean it!
Don't leave us like that.
We didn't mean it. Don't touch anything.
Everything on your orders.
Please let us go. Let us go.
Touch.
Universe, we're gonna have to teleport.
I stole a teleportation device from the doctors.
Okay.
No, I stole nothing. I stole nothing.
He stole nothing. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, mine was out of batteries. I had to give it a couple minutes.
I like the ninja poof that you added.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I totally added that. Okay, so let's get out of here.
Let's go get a mansion with this money that we totally didn't illegally get.
Steal. Yeah. Yeah, we did nothing to get this money. We did no, not like that. We worked tirelessly.
Yeah.
We worked so hard, and we want to buy this. Which mansion do we buy?
This one.
Yeah, the pool. Yes, pools.
We're coming down. Let's go. Wait.
Oh.
Okay.
It's $1 million.
I bought it already. Ooh, it came with the car. Wait, that's Grandma's car.
Run!
No!
Run, inside the house.
Inside the house. Lock the doors!
Yeah.
Wait, how is my pet here? Why is my pet here?
Oh, I didn't know your pet. Oh. I didn't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna in one of our various beds and never wake up again. Because
my neck!
I'm fishing. I'm swimming in money. I'm a prize winner.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Well, that was fun. I mean, not fun.
So tiring. I mean, I'm so tired.
I know.
I might go back to bed. I mean, I'm so tired. We worked so hard for that. Yeah. So hard.
That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.